Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So here's how to message someone on WhatsApp without saving their contact. First, open your WhatsApp application and log into your specific account. On the main chat screen, tap on the plus icon in the top right or the bottom right to start a new chat. You can find and tap on your own WhatsApp number. This will open a personal chat with yourself. In this personal chat, go ahead and type in the phone number of the person that you want to message without saving it. After that, tap on the send arrow. Now, the number you just sent will now appear as a clickable link in the chat. Tap on this number, and here you'll get three different options of dial, add to contacts, and invite to WhatsApp if that person is not in the WhatsApp. Otherwise, you'll get the option to message on WhatsApp instead of invite if that person is available on WhatsApp. You can tap on it, simply tap on message in WhatsApp, and this will open a new direct chat with that number, allowing you to send messages without having to set them to your phone's contacts. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.